this problem fix in this video. Don't skip this video in the hard work. After fixing screenshot and go to step 1. Go to Vanced Manager and uninstall YouTube Vanced and Micro G. After uninstalling and go to Vanced Manager App Info and App Info, then Storage and Clear Cache, Clear Data, and again open Vanced Manager and first step install Micro G and step 2 install YouTube Vanced, and after installing go to YouTube Vanced App Info and Storage and Clear Cache, Clear Data. After the all tricks and go to YouTube Vanced and play video to fix your problem. Like this video, subscribe my channel.